Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing with our little project of names and baby names, but one huge step. We downloaded it several videos ago, and I'll put the link up here. Now it is a zip file, and yes, we can see it here, and let's see, but it doesn't do us. If we try to open these right now, Python has a stroke because it's saying it's a zip file, but Windows helps us with this. But we want to become efficient and learn how to do all this so we can automate everything. That's the goal of all these things. Because yeah, one file won't be that big of a deal, but if we're doing hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of files, we need to get it done. So all right, what we're going to look at is the zip file method, and this is very important. Capital Z, capital F. So all right, let's just get going. Zip file. So, all right, help zipfile dot zip. Oops. File, and what it does, this is our, it's going to create, so we give it our file, and are we going to read it or are we going to write it? So are we going to zip or are we going to unzip? So, all right, right now we are going to, so what do I note this as? So our zip file is names.zip, and so then we're going to name this our archive. And then this is the way that this works. File. And then we give it, we could come here and type this here. It's either needs to be the file object or the string. All right. And then comma and write. So okay. So now let's look. So we are using the zip file method, and we're going to stop after this because I realized that when I was working on the notes on this, I started flying through this. And I know this is real quick, but I got to keep this stuff separate. So all right, now let's look and see what it does. So zip archive. So there we go, and dir on zip archive. So and where is it? Extract and extract all. So you get the idea. But we're going to stop right here. We're going to do piecemeal. You guys are doing great. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, the notification bell. Please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, because this is going to start going faster and faster and faster, and we're tiptoeing around messing with pandas, but we gotta get some grunt work done. So all right, it's really close. As always, thanks guys. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye.